Hi, everybody. I just want to do a very short, hopefully short video about just a couple of final things for getting your project turned in, because those are due on Sunday. So hopefully you're wrapped up, things are going well, that you've been enjoying your subject. A lot of people I've been emailing with have just enjoyed learning a little more about this thing. Now I'm excited for you to get yours uploaded and then be able to see somebody else's, see some other projects that they've dug into. And so that'll be Monday and Tuesday's assignment for next week. So don't worry about getting in and watching them over the weekend unless you want to. They're fair game. But I wanted to show you how to turn it in. Just first of all, this is today's astronomy picture today. This is Jupiter in infrared. So this is outside of our visible spectrum. This is lower than the red um, end of the spectrum, and just really a cool picture, I thought. So check out astronomy picture of the day every day. There's some really awesome ones. So I wanted to show you quickly a couple of things. One is actually I'm going to start with the bibliography. So the bibliographies aren't due till next week, so don't panic if you don't have that done. I just want to show you how to turn in real fast if you get it done. It's just a little weird, and I'll explain this again next week. But the bibliography is part of the rubric. Down here you can see bibliography is one of these things, as is commenting on other presentations. So it's part of this rubric, but I hadn't created a special place to turn it in until this morning. I added on our Schoology page bibliography, turn in here. When you go in, you'll notice it's only worth 1 point, and so if you just turn it in, you get that point. It's kind of like a free point, but then if you do a really crappy bibliography, that'll just cost you points on the final project, if that sort of makes sense. Again, I'll explain that. I just wanted to go through that really, really fast in case you had it done and you just want to be done for now. You can turn that in to there. If you're done, when you're done with your final project video, you can turn that in here. Now, I have all of your classes linked, and I have access to the 7th hour ones too, but I'm just to show you real quick. So you should only be able to see your hour. At the very end, I'll open them up to everybody so you can see everybody's, but until they're all turned in, I'm going to kind of just keep them by hour. Then find the one with your name on it, click there. And then to upload, you click and write a comment, and then right here is the file button. If you just click that, you can go search for a file, upload it, and be done. Now, here's the kicker. If your video is over 500 megabytes, I don't think Schoology will let you turn it in. So if that's the case, if it's really a large file, I'm thinking about making a little tutorial on how to reduce file size, but even easier than that is if you throw it into your Google Drive. Okay, this is my online physics folder in Google Drive, and sorry about this, on day 2 I made you a whopper of a video at 736 megabytes, so I obviously couldn't upload that one. So what I'm going to do with this is, I'm right in Google Drive here. I'm going to right click on it and go to share. Okay, and then in share, you see, I even was kind of bad at sharing back then. I've learned a lot about how Google works since then. So the trick, rather than sharing it with your group members and me or our class, even easier than that is right down here. It says get a link, where it says anyone at Minnehaha. So anybody with a Minnehaha Academy email address can then view your link. So I'll show you. Right click, go to share. Right down here, I'll just copy this link. It says link is copied, and then I'll come back to the discussion. I will paste that in there and then post it, and then you should be able to just, your group mates should be able to just take this link. It might even hyperlink it for you, but I'll copy that, open a new tab, paste that in, and since I'm a Minnehaha email address, it should just pop right up. I should be able to listen. Look at that great moment back when I worked harder at dressing up for making my videos. So that is how to turn everything in. I'm going to do office hours tomorrow afternoon from 1:45 to 2:15, and then I have to go off to another meeting after that. But so please stay working. If you need to email me, please email me. If you need to set up a little just quick Google chat, sometimes that's easier than email or Google Message or Schoology message. So just say, hey, can we do a Google meeting, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So hope you have a productive day. Get these turned in on Sunday, and I'm so psyched to see them. All right, take care and have a great weekend.